جديدة إن شاء الله طالع هسه موقع محمد.
Hi friends, again we are in the site. Just look here, we have one bridge constructed above the railway. That means we have too much requirement for the safety, because the railway traffic it's going on. They did not stop it. So we have here pile cap also, so it's ready for the abutment. And from other side, from that side, we complete from that side we complete the filler or the أغبش روافد und pier, I think pier in English. And then there is also in the middle there is also pier. There was two pier, and it's already demolition. And because we want to widen the road, so we make instead of two pier استبدلنا الروافد الاثنين بعمل ثلاث روافد بسبب عمل توسعة للطريق. So we have complete three pier from other side, and we have also we have to make three pier more with this abutment, and there we complete the shuttering for the abutment, and we start already fixing the protection above the railway. Then when we complete the pier from this side, which is already complete in other side, as I told you, we will start preparing shuttering for the deck slab. In the moment, in this time, there is a group working in deck slab and pier, and there is a group working in the abutment from both sides. So two group, they will finish in same time. I mean, during the people working in the piering, until they finish this work, the abutment it will be ready. Then we will fix the shutter and bearing bed, and all it will complete in the time. Yeah, see the train? Okay, let's go to the next bridge. We are going to the second bridge, and you see here that there is some screen also on the way, and there is one concrete plant also, which we are taking concrete from. And this is a bridge number 48. So I'm going to show you what we have seen already, but from other side. There is nice view near our project. See, and there is also a shelter plant. I will make zoom to let you see that plant clearly. Let us go inside and see what they are doing. See, brother, it's a nice view, really. So look at this view, it's really very nice. And we are going again to show you that the bridge from other side, which we was there before 10 minutes. I don't know if I will keep it in same video or in different. But anyhow, let us see. There is one train came. And here they are preparing the shutter for abutment. And there is one train also. Okay. So this is the bridge from other side. We have three pier, and this is the abutment, and this they prepare foundation to fix the shutter for the deck slab. Okay, let us go. This is the supported wall which they are preparing in the middle or in the middle for each bridge. For each bridge in the middle we have to prepare this supporting wall, then we can make demolition for the bridge without any problem. At this view, it's nice view really, and in the summer it will be all green. Let's go for the other bridge, and I will show you the asphalt plant also. I'll make zoom just to let you see the asphalt plant. It's there. This is the bridge. Let's go now to other bridge. We have to cross the road, go to other bridges, and this bridge number 47C, we can remember it in future when I visit it again, so we can monitor each step, we can check each activity on the right time. This is the most long bridge in our project. You see, it's a huge project, huge bridge. And from this side we have complete piling work and pile cap also, and backfilling for pile cap also finish. So it is ready only for shuttering and abutment, reinforcing or Bewährung, and complete the abutment. From in this area we have completed the stormwater until the other bridge 48. This is the stormwater from this side, and you see they are using flexible pipe, or not like in Emirates. Let's go back. Here also there is very nice view near the bridge, and you see the view. It's very nice. Dear friends, as I told you, this is the bridge, the most long bridge in our project, and we can see from here the top view and overall view that we have in this side. One apartment, it's not yet ready. We have complete the pile. This is the stormwater manhole. We have complete pile cap, and it's ready, the foundation. It's ready soon already, and now we are just going to prepare the shutter and start with the abutment. From other side, the abutment it is already finished, and in between you see the phyla or the pier. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have one more not yet finished. Then they are already started preparing the deck slab shuttering, and I have shown you, if you go to my Facebook page, you will see the bearing pad for each pier or phyla, أو الروافد بالعربي in Arabic. And there is nice view, you can see it, and really it is nice. There is fence and it's closed totally to protect the people from the work machinery and to avoid any accident. So any work here in Germany, it should be protected even from the animal. We said already, here we have to completing the foundation and piling foundation. We're ready for abutment. And here the first, they're preparing the foundation for the shutter, for deck slab shutter. So between each pier, between each one and other, we prepare here foundation, strong base, because this base, it will absorb all the load came from the deck slab. You can check here. Also, they are preparing for shutter, and then this is the steel, this is the shutter is ready. They will put it here and they will cast the concrete, and in front it's already ready. Here the foundation is ready. Here the pier, it's ready also for casting concrete. And there you see all the frame, it's erected above the foundation, which we have make it special for the deck slab shuttering. This is the abutment, which is already done and finished. Work on it, and it is ready.